Hi guys, welcome to another video lab of MrLopezClasses.com. Today we are going to talk about the harness of a diesel engine, the harness of a diesel generator or gasoline generator is basically the same. Okay, this is the schematic that I want that you verify today in your boat, in your generator. I want that you open the control box and verify if your generator is analog like this or if your generator is digital like this. Okay, and I want that you identify easily the relays, the start relay, the run relay, the preheat relay, and verify how is the connection between the momentary switches for start, stop, and run with respect to the relays and the color codes. And I want that you printed the wiring diagram of your specific generator and verify if the diagram of your generator is according with the wiring in your control box. Follow cable by cable. Identify what happened if I have a problem in the run relay. Remember what happened when you have a problem in the run relay. The run relay control the operation of the fuel transfer pump and the operation of the start-stop solenoid. Yes, if the run relay is broken, you don't have output from the terminal AD7A in the run relay, the transfer pump stop and the start-stop solenoid close, and you don't have fuel and the engine stop. Follow that relay. Follow what happened if I have a problem in the start relay. Okay, I have the yellow-red signal coming from the momentary button for start. However, in the output of the start relay, I don't have current for the solenoid of the start motor, and the motor no crank. And verify how should be the procedure to bypass those relays if you have a problem in the middle of the ocean and you need to solve the problem. What cable I need pass? Probably the cable between, say, signal 85 and 87A. Bingo, now the engine is cranking only when I press the button. This is the bypass that you need to do in emergency. Mr. Lopez, but my generator is not analog, it's digital. It's exactly the same. I want that you verify what happened, what is the function of each of those relays. This is crank, this is run, this is preheat. Okay, and check in the manual, check in the wiring diagram of the service manual, how it should be the LED for each relay. The crank relay during the cranking is flashing. When the engine stop, the run relay is flashing. After that, it stays solid. Each LED have a different behavior. Check the wiring diagram and be familiarized with this board. And try to keep another board, a spare board, to replace the board if you have problems in the middle of the ocean. Okay? All right. This is the idea today. Identify your wiring diagram. Check that video, the video where we did that harness. Check the video. And check the poster, because in my website you find all of those posters and other posters additional. Try to keep additional boards, additional relays, and understand the diagram that you have according with the generator that you have in your boat. Good luck.